experts can provide valuable insights and expertise. Individuals and organizations should seek out partnerships with experts in risk management, such as consultants or industry associations, to gain a deeper understanding of potential risks and develop effective strategies to mitigate them. Such as consultants or industry associations, to gain a deeper understanding of potential risks and develop effective strategies to mitigate them. In conclusion, developing risk management skills is critical for individuals and organizations looking to optimize their assets. By conducting a risk assessment, developing a risk management plan, utilizing technology, seeking out training and education, creating a risk management culture, continuously monitoring and evaluating, utilizing data analysis, and collaborating with experts, individuals. Utilizing technology, seeking out training and education, creating a risk management culture, continuously monitoring and evaluating, utilizing data analysis, and collaborating with experts, individuals. And organizations can develop effective risk management strategies and optimize their assets. With the increasing complexity of today's business environment and the ever-present threat of potential methods to help develop risk management skills and optimize assets. Effective risk management is essential for achieving organizational goals and optimizing the value of assets. Here are several methods you can use to develop strong risk management skills. Identify risks. The first step is to identify potential risks that could impact your assets or derail objectives. Consider physical, financial, operational, strategic, and compliance-related risks across the organization. Gather input from different teams and sources. Gather input from different teams and sources. Analyze risk likelihood and impact. Once you have an initial list of risks, analyze the likelihood they will occur and potential impact if they do. Assign a rating to each risk based on probability and severity. Focus resources on risk with high likelihood and impact. With high likelihood and impact. Develop risk response plans. For each significant risk, develop a response plan with specific actions that will minimize likelihood or impact, or both. Options include risk avoidance, reduction, transfer, and acceptance. Choose the most feasible and cost-effective response for each risk. Most feasible and cost-effective response for each risk. Monitor key risk indicators. Identify metrics and data you can monitor on an ongoing basis to detect risks as early as possible. Key risk indicators, CRIS, could include things like order completion rates, customer satisfaction, scores, error reports, and more. Track CRIS regularly and set thresholds that trigger risk response plans. Scores, error reports, and more. Track CRIS regularly and set thresholds that trigger risk response plans. Perform what-if scenarios. Run simulations of how risks might play out in different scenarios to test the effectiveness of your risk response plans. Make changes and refine plans, if needed. Consider extreme scenarios to quantify. Your plans can handle any level of severity. Your plans can handle any level of severity. Review risk management periodically. Review your risks, risk assessments, and response plans at least quarterly, but preferably monthly. Risks evolve over time, so a periodic review ensures your plans and preparations stay up to date. Educate others on risk management. Share what you've learned about risk management with others in your organization. Train teams on how to identify risks in their areas and how to escalate them appropriately. The more organization with risk awareness you develop, the better prepared you'll be to handle risks when they arise.